All right, you guys. I just stopped at our little post office to get my mail, and I am so excited. I bought something. There she is. I don't think it has any markings that would tell you what it is. We're gonna go home and we're gonna unbox it. So it's like the 29th today. Yeah, the 29th today. You guys, the time between Christmas and New Year's always is such a weird time. At least for me, I feel like I lose track of time. Literally don't even know what day it is and what I'm supposed to be doing, I feel like. You guys see? It's a Berkey water filter. So I have never had anything really like this to filter water. Like I've had a like a Brita pitcher before. Is that how you say it? Pitcher? But yeah, I've had one of those and it was okay. It wasn't my favorite, I'll be honest. But I have some family that have Berkey and I've wanted one since. And I finally got one. This is the, I think this one's called their Big Berkey. But this supposedly is good for like 4 to 6 people, I think their website said. Super excited to get this running for our family. We have really hard water. I've been concerned about what's in the water. This is gonna be awesome. All right, we're gonna have to try this again. So the goal here is to fill to 12 ounces of water, anywhere from 40 to 60 seconds, and that met the bill, just barely it looks like. It's time to attach our filter. We're gonna prime the filter. I guess that's what this is called. This has to go all the way up. We're gonna wait like 1 to 2 minutes until we start to see water starting to bead on the outside. And then after we start seeing that, then you wait another 1 or 2 more minutes just to make sure that it's fully primed well. So. I've also put the plugs in the bottom of there. I don't know if you guys can see, maybe you guys can see a little better on the bottom here. And the other Berkey filter is gonna go here. You're gonna take your filter, you put your washer that it came with on it, and then this is gonna go down inside of this hole. There's my toddler. Her new favorite thing is climbing on the table, which I absolutely hate. Got those nicely installed with the plugs in there. We're supposed to do like a dye test now. So first things first, we have to fill the upper chamber with a few inches of water and make sure it doesn't leak from any of these holes to make sure that they are properly sealed. Filled this with a few inches of water. and it is filtering, but it doesn't look like it's leaking. So it looks like that's done correctly. Now we need to dump out this water and we're going to do the dye test. All right, so we're going to place filter stems on these jars. So it'll filter into the jar. That's just for stability. We have the dye that it came with. We're gonna pour this into a gallon of water. This is 1 gallon of water with the red dye in it. This test can take up to 30 minutes, so. Well, you guys, I am pretty impressed. That water was super red. That's one jar. Here's the other jar. That water is completely clear. You guys see how red that water is? That it is currently filtering, and it's turned it into that. That's pretty amazing. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. I am satisfied with that. That's pretty amazing to me, but I'll have to do a review sometime later after we have been using this for a little while. Thanks so much, you guys, for coming along with me. Excuse the mess in the background. Trying to get stuff done, you know, so anyway, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.